Hello, boys and girls. It's me, Atu, and it's time for Little Bigo. Today, we will learn about
Birds. Can you see the animal in the picture? What is the name of this animal? It is a bird. These are all birds. Do you know their names? Mention their names if you can. Parts of a bird. These are the parts of a bird. Number 1. Beak or bill. All birds have a beak or a bill. A beak or a bill helps birds to eat their food or drink water. Number 2. Wings. All birds have 2 wings. Their wings help them to fly. Some birds have wings, but they cannot fly. This is a penguin. A penguin has wings, but cannot fly. This is an ostrich. An ostrich has wings, but cannot fly. Number 3. Feet. All birds have 2 feet. Their feet helps them to perch on tree branches or to walk on land. Number 4. Eyes. Look at the bird. It is an owl. Can you see its eyes? What color are their eyes? All birds have 2 eyes. Their eyes help them to see. Number 5. Tail. Look at the bird. It is a peacock. Look at the tail. It is a long tail. All birds have a tail. Feathers. Birds have feathers all over their bodies. Feathers with different colors. Look at the birds. Can you see their feathers? What are the colors of their feathers? Now you know. These are the parts of a bird.
So that's it, boys and girls. Until we meet again, stay safe and be good. Bye bye.